Hi, maybe you need information about computer components, laptops, printers. Sometimes we have trouble matching if you want to buy components on the online marketplace, because they are only pictures, or the components we want to buy don't have part numbers. Well, here I will video everything that. Please help like and subscribe, so that my videos can continue. This keyboard, the Windows key is not up here. The Windows button is down here. FN function key here. There are 5 hook clamps below. There are 2 bolt clamps, and there are 3 top hook clamps. This laptop keyboard can be used for Toshiba Satellite A15, Toshiba Satellite A20, Toshiba Satellite A25, Toshiba Satellite A30, Toshiba Satellite A35, Toshiba Satellite A70, Toshiba Satellite A80, Toshiba Satellite A100, Toshiba Satellite A105, Toshiba Satellite A110, Toshiba Satellite A130, Toshiba Satellite A135, Toshiba Satellite M10, Toshiba Satellite M30, Toshiba Satellite M35, Toshiba Satellite M40, Toshiba Satellite M45, Toshiba Satellite M50, Toshiba Satellite M55, Toshiba Satellite A10, Toshiba Satellite A15. This keyboard has a caps lock key with an indicator light here. This keyboard replacement is very easy, because you don't need to open the case, you only need to open the top speaker cover. First, open the top speaker cover by tucking in and prying a little with a thin screwdriver until it lifts. Once open, lift the speaker cover. Unscrew the 2 keyboard fasteners, the right and left. Then remove the flexible cable from the socket. Then, replace with a new keyboard, attach the flexible cable, and lock the socket again. Insert the bottom of the keyboard first, insert the clamp into the clamp hole. Replace the 2 screws on the keyboard, right and left. Plug the speaker cap again, and the laptop is ready to use. Thank you.